And then it came. The sound of the school bell. Loud, metallic, sharp. Class was starting. But I knew the truth. There hadn't been electricity in this building for years. The bell led me to the auditorium. The door was slightly open. Inside, the room was empty. Rows of broken chairs, dust everywhere, except for one desk, right in the middle, and a boy sitting there, head down on his arms. I slowly stepped closer, and then he raised his head, and I froze. There was no face, just a dark, hollow void. The sound of scraping filled the room. Desks, chairs, moving. From the shadows, more children appeared. Dozens of them, all of them, faceless. They sat down in silence. And then, they all spoke at once. The same words, the same voice. Sit down, the bell has rung. I ran. The door slammed shut behind me. Voices screamed my name, louder and louder, shaking the walls. I covered my ears, squeezed my eyes shut, and suddenly, silence.